So this is the Riverwalk in Zion National Park. You take the Riverwalk before going to the Narrows, and the trail before the Narrows is completely paved like so. And it goes along the river and the Virgin River, and you get some pretty nice canyon views along the way. So this is again the Riverwalk Trail, Zion National Park. So this is where the Narrows begins and the Riverwalk ends. The Riverwalk is a trail hike that goes along this canyon area and along the river. But once you get to the Narrows, there's no more trail anymore. It's just river. So this is the Narrows. In order to hike on this trail, you have to hike in the water. So you'll see lots of people hiking. I've gone about halfway up. I'm gonna start to head back now because my mama's waiting for me. So just hiking through the canyon, the river in the canyon. It's pretty nice. So this river has a lot of big rocks and pebbles, making it a little bit difficult to walk in. Every now and then you will come across the sand dune. There's some people hiking down the river. It's really pretty. So if you're gonna hike in the Narrows, I would highly recommend using a walking stick because it's very difficult to walk on these pebbles. So if you don't, especially if you don't have good balance.